Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in innovative household solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of odor elimination with what's being touted as the best odor blaster on the market. Introducing the Odor Blaster X, designed to tackle even the toughest smells with ease. Whether it's pet odors, cooking smells, or stale air, this device promises to refresh your living space effortlessly. Let's break down what makes the Odor Blaster X stand out. First off, its advanced ionization technology not only masks but neutralizes odors at a molecular level. This means you're not just covering up smells, you're eliminating them completely. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any room, quietly operating in the background without disrupting your daily life. Perfect for homes, offices, or even in your car, it's compact yet powerful. Let me show you how easy it is to use. With just a touch of a button, the Odor Blaster X goes to work, releasing a gentle yet effective stream of freshness. To sum it up, the Odor Blaster X is not just about convenience, it's about transforming your space into a more pleasant environment effortlessly. If you're ready to say goodbye to unwanted odors once and for all, check out the link in the description below to learn more about the Odor Blaster X and how it can benefit your home. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay fresh.